Hi, Nicholas Lee here, and I'm back with another episode of Crosslight video tutorial. This time, I'll be showing you how to get started with the Crosslight Logging Framework. What I'll be doing is that I'll create a new blank project and start off from there. I'll show you guys how easy it is to get started with the new logging framework. At the end of last July, we have shipped Crosslight 4. In this release, we've included lots of major improvements such as fail-proof sync framework, view projection, dialog presenter, crosslight charting, barcode scanner, and so much more. In this video, we're going to focus on how to get started with the new Crosslight Logging Framework. Right now, I've created a blank project using the Crosslight project wizard. Here are the list of steps that we're going to do. First, we're going to reference the needed assemblies. Then we'll create a new trace listener. Then initialize and register the log writer in the app service. Preserve the assembly in the app initializer. Install Microsoft Async from NuGet packages in each platform. Then you're ready to use the logger. First, we're going to reference the needed assemblies. In the iOS project, I'll reference the core logging assembly as well as the platform-specific one. In the core project, you will want to add a reference to the logging assembly. Then we'll create a new trace listener that will output our log somewhere. In this case, we'll just want to output the log to the console window. I'll create a new trace listener class. Let's call it Application Diagnostic Trace Listener. Inherit from trace listener. Then implement the abstract members. Since we're going to output the log to the console window, I'm just going to use the debug.write line. Let's do the same. Next, we're going to initialize and register the log writer in the app service. Let's open up the app service and use the following code. Here we're going to register the trace listener that we've just created. Note that you can specify the root filter level to show various log levels. To learn more about the root filter level, check out our documentation at Developer Center. You can also find the link in the description below. After this is done, you will need to open the app initializer and preserve the logging assembly. Use the following code. Then the next step would be install the Microsoft Async from NuGet packages. Right-click on the project, add NuGet packages, then search for Microsoft Async. You can check the progress on the top section of the Xamarin Studio. After that, delete these 3 assemblies. You won't need them. You are now ready to use the logger. Let's modify the simple view model a bit. I'll simply write down this.logger.debug. Then whatever text the user has inputted, it will be outputted in the Logger console window. Now let's try to run this project. As you can see, our log is now working. Let's try to make this Logger run on the Android project as well. Let's add the reference to the logging assembly as well as the Android one. Then register in the app initializer. Same with iOS. Let's try to run the project. Don't forget to add the reference to Microsoft Async. Then remove the 3 assemblies. As you can see, the Android version is also working as well. To learn more about Crosslight Logging Framework, use the link in the description below. That will take you to the Developer Center. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a mail at technical@intersoft-solutions.com. Access the Crosslight documentation at developer.intersoft-solutions.com. Raise a thread in our forums at intersoft-solutions.com/community/crosslight, or chat with us directly in our website at intersoft-solutions.com. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.